Do you dream of achieving financial freedom? Do you want to be able to work when you want, where you want, and for how long you want? If so, you need to know the habits of rich and successful people. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 habits that you can start following today to set yourself up for financial freedom. So without further ado, let's get started. 1. Wake up early. The saying early to bed and early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy, and wise is true. Successful people often wake up early to start their day. Author Thomas Corley found that nearly 50% of the self-made millionaires he studied wake up 3 hours before starting their day. Waking up early gives you a head start on the day and allows you to accomplish more. It also helps you to be more productive and efficient. In his book, Change Your Habits, Change Your Life, Corley says that getting up at 5 a.m. to tackle the top 3 things you want to accomplish in your day allows you to regain control of your life. Many successful people, including former President Obama, Richard Branson, and Jack Dorsey, are early risers. This is because early risers have a head start on the day, which allows them to respond to others, exercise, and find some personal time, which can lead to greater happiness and proactiveness. 2. Meditate. Ray Dalio, the founder of Bridgewater Associates, credits meditation with his success more than anything else. He is not alone. Oprah Winfrey, Rupert Murdoch, and Russell Simmons have all said that meditation is a major factor in their success. Taking care of your body and mind by relaxing, exercising, eating healthy, and getting enough sleep are all ways to increase your chances of success. 3. Be diligent. Successful people are rarely idle. Elon Musk works a whopping 80 to 100 hours per week and has said that's the type of work ethic an entrepreneur needs to have. 4. Know when to say no. According to Warren Buffett, the difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. This is because successful people understand that by saying no to negativity, extra work, and time-wasting activities, they can focus on increasing their productivity. If they say yes to everyone or everything, they will be too distracted and will not be able to accomplish their goals. 5. Money management. Successful people have gotten to where they are because they are good with money. They invest wisely, look for new opportunities, and save for emergencies. They are also generous and willing to donate to those in need. 6. Set goals and visualize. According to Joel Brown, who interviewed a number of high achievers for Entrepreneur magazine, 95% of successful people regularly write down their goals, plans, or visions for success. They do this either the night before or first thing in the morning so that they are prepared to face the challenges ahead. 7. Be frugal. Frugal people are not stingy. Frugality is the habit of being thrifty and economical, or avoiding waste. When you are frugal, you use money and resources wisely. This can lead to greater efficiency and financial success. Successful people avoid overspending by comparison shopping and negotiating. As a result, they are able to save more money than they spend. 8. Personal care. After healthy habits like diet and exercise, personal care is next on the list of habits of successful people. Some people have a complex routine, while others don't. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla Motors, said that showering is the daily habit that has had the biggest positive impact on his life. 9. Take action. It's important to plan and set priorities, but without action, a plan is useless. Successful people take action quickly and often, even before they feel ready. While others make excuses not to act, successful people take the first step, even if it seems crazy. 10. Relax. It's interesting that relaxing is another common habit of successful people. This could be through meditation or simply avoiding distractions. Of course, relaxation is easier for organized people, so it may be a natural byproduct for them rather than a conscious decision. It may also be that taking a few minutes to focus on your breathing is the successful person's way of preparing for the effort ahead. These habits are not easy, but they are effective. If you're willing to put in the work, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination, it's a journey. It takes time, effort, and discipline. But if you're willing to stick with it, you can achieve your goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start following the habits of rich and successful people today. This is part 2 of a series video. If you would like to watch part 1, I have added the link in the description box below. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more wealth creation tips. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.